Hello. In this particular demonstration, I will show you about the notification icons, like for example, or badges. That's what they are called as. So if you see here, at the top, at the bottom row, you will see Google Chrome icon, and there is a number there, right? But in case of the task management, the one above, little bit above that on the left, task management, you don't see those kind of icons. So those icons are meant to show you that there are some alerts for this particular app, and that is very interesting because when there is a new task assigned, we would like to see a icon, like like a change in the icon or the badge out there, right? So I'll show you, how to make sure that that badge shows up in the icon. So first I'll show you, I will assign a task to myself from another mobile. Okay, so hold on a minute, just 1 second. Yeah, so I'm trying to assign a random task right now to myself from another app. Okay, I just did. So once I did that, like I saved a particular task from another app, what I'm expecting is that when the task is assigned to me, I'm expecting like a small alert, you see at the top, right? So this alert was like just now because like there was a task assigned to me, but you will notice that there is no change in the icon, the app icon, the badge, right? Now this is what you need to do. You click on the settings, then search for notification, yeah, and then I selected notification. And the reason, like, you are seeing the alerts at the top, right, the notifications at the top like a floating notification, is because like under this task management, the this is like being switched on for notification actually, right? For notification, like if I click on the floating, the one at the center, and then search for task management, then you will see that this is selected. Okay, now let me go back and let me select the one at the right in that, in the three mobile icons that you see, right? So the one, you can see that there is badges written under it, so I'm going to choose that. Okay, and then here again I'm going to search for task. So if I search for task, then this is off right now. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so I'll turn it on and then go back to the home screen, and then I will again create a new task. All right. Okay, I'm just creating it, and then I'm gonna save it. So once I save it, then this time you should see the floating alert, and then after a little bit more time, you should also see the change in the icon, like the badge that you see at the in that icon, right? You see that it is already modified. So this is how like it works. All right. So I hope this helps, and so please accordingly make changes in your system settings as well. Thank you.